Now, this is known as a process control block or PCB, which is also known as a TCP or the task control block. Now, each process in the operating system consists of its own PCB. If there are n number of processes in the operating system, then each process will contain its own PCB. What does this PCB contains? It contains of different parameters which consist of different values of different information about that process. If we see the first point, that is the process ID. Each process in the operating system has an unique ID or the identification number, and this is known as a process ID. Okay, so this is the unique ID for each process. Next comes the pointer. What does the pointer means? The pointer consists of the address or the linked address of the next process in the queue. That is, it will point once this process is getting executed. The pointer part will consist of the information or the address of the next process in the queue to be executed in the CPU next. Okay. Now here comes the process state. In the previous lecture we have seen there are 5 states in the process, and this state gives the information whether the process is in a new state, ready state, running state, waiting state or terminated state. Okay. Next comes the program counter. What does this program counter mean? Address of the next instruction to be executed. This PC contains the value of the address of the next instruction to be executed. We know that the process consists of a program consists of a set of instructions, and this process is nothing but a program under execution. So, during the execution of instruction, the instructions are actually loaded in the memory. So, during the execution, what will be the next address or what will be the address of the next instruction that is to be executed is loaded in the program counter. Clear? Now, register. There are different types of register depending upon the different architecture. Now, there are some general purpose register, accumulator, base register, index registers, etc. Okay. Now, what does this memory info consist of? This memory info is consist of the actual contents of this base register, index registers. Okay, that is a value or the contents of base register, index register, etc. Okay. Now, list of open files. This list of open files consists of the information about the different input-output events, input-output devices, then IO files. All this information are stored in the list of open files. What does the scheduling info consist? It consists of information about actual amount of CPU time required and some real-time information Okay. So, what is the requirement of PCB then? PCB is required for storing the information of the process. We have seen in this state diagram, when the process is getting interrupted, then the place where the process is getting interrupted, up to that place its state needs to be saved or its information need to be saved, and all this information are saved in the PCB, and it contains all the parameters which consist of the information about this process. Okay, this is the very important topic in your operating system, that is PCB or task control block. Thank you.